Hello and welcome. My name is David, and welcome to my mind map analyzing the article What is a Game for my intellectual project number 4. To get things started, the platform I use is called Genially. It is a really great platform because it's really good at connecting and using different visuals. It is very interactive. Some information can be really short and you can just hover over them and then they will just provide information for you. And other times, what you can do is like you can click on it and it'll take you to a window and it'll elaborate with even more in-depth information and details. The model that I used is a fish bones diagram, which is the main topic at the head, and then the branches of like the bones and skeleton breaks apart into little subtopics, and concluding with my conclusions at the end of my tale. If you're ever confused about where to go and how to navigate this, all you can simply do is click in the top right corner, show interactive elements, and you can see like all the different types of notes that I have provided to show what is clickable and what can open up or hover your mouse cursor over to provide you information. To get things started, normally like my resources are at the end, but my citation, I just chose to put it at the head because this is the main article that I was analyzing for information from. So to get started, sometimes it can be really in depth. So if it's like it was my interpretation and understanding, to make it even more concise, I made it like into little summaries and bullet points. Sometimes I will use like the visuals from the article. And if you wanted to take and navigate it a little bit closer, you can click on it and it will enhance it so you can see a closer look at what the visuals are. And of course, you can always go back. Some of the things is like it's just like you can hover over the mouse cursor, and it's just a little bit of like little fun little tidbits of information to help us summarize up if there's any for more clarity and for future understanding. So the way it is like I've breaking apart into like different categories and subsections. Just like a mind map, it's like instead of it branching off with just like one word or category, it's just based on like different concepts. So sometimes, again, it can take you to a whole different window for like huge informations. And then if you want to take a look at the diagrams, you can click on the pictures, or sometimes like if there's something that you need more clarity on, you can just hover over them to see like the different tables and diagrams of what I did. So sometimes it might be like in more in depth of like the vocabulary, provided with some visuals and examples. The way that it's designed is while the categories are like the different subtopics are broken apart, you can either go from like the main branch of the mind map and go up, or you can go and top down. It is designed to be like very explorative and intuitive for you to look and see where where the articles help fit like your understanding of what my interpretations of the articles were and what were some of like the main and important components of it. And then of course at the end, it's just like hovering over with like my conclusion. So that kind of quickly summarizes up how to use and navigate my mind map. Thank you for your time and looking at it. I look forward to hearing your feedback. Take care and bye for now.